Crypto, what do you think about your toy?
I'll let you know when I finish eating.
Alright, today we're going to bring a chewable toy for your dog. This is a durable, if you guys can see it. It has beef flavor. It's natural rubber. It's safe for your dogs. Ultimate chewing toy. It's bendable, if you guys can see this. This is great to clean your dog's teeth as they chew on it, and it's easy to also clean it too. Now, it's very durable. It's not going to chip off or anything else. So we're going to give it to our pets and see what they think about it. We have here Toby, and he wants it first. No, Toby wants it first. No. This is Toby's. Toby. He's chewing on it. The other guy's chewing on it. All right, I guess Crypto wants it. Crypto wants to take it away. They want the bone, so I'm gonna have to order another one.